Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Welcome back to my channel here on Joseph Durden Unboxing. Welcome to my new channel. Obviously this is the rejigged channel, I guess you could say. Rebranded and stuff, new channel. But yeah, let's get into it anyway. Today I've basically got a review of something that's not a glove, not a head guard, not hand wraps. Something a bit more niche, a bit more interesting. Today I'm going to be reviewing this. Obviously it is reversed, as I will always say, disclaimer, because of the cameras facing at me, so it's reversed. But this obviously says RDX. This is the RDX lace to loop converter. So this is similar to what you can find, I think it's Lace and Loop is the main brand in the US. This is RDX's version. So basically, I'll get straight into it. What you're going to do, I cannot remember how much these cost, as my parents got me this for Christmas, which I'm very happy about, so thanks for that. I'm going to be selling these fighting lace-up gloves, but I'm planning on getting some more lace-ups soon to review on the channel anyway, so yeah. So basically, what you want to do with these, hopefully I get it the right way around, I believe, is it that way through? So it's one of these ways. You either, right, hold on, we'll just try it this way. So basically you're going to want to an elastic strip, as you can see it's stretchy, with a velcro female end and a velcro male end. I can't remember which one's which, but you take the laces of your glove and you put them through these two holes on the end of the elastic. There we go. Had to think about that there. Just give me one moment. It's a little bit fiddly, but don't let this put you off. It's worth it. Almost. There we go. So now that you have that through, you're going to want to tie a double knot in this. So there's one, and there's the second knot. Now I'm not going to tie that too tight because I'm going to be undoing it again after this video. But there you go. Now you have your piece of elastic tied to your gloves via tying a knot through the two holes at the end. So now you're going to want to put your hand in the glove and then wrap the actual laces as well. You can get this really tight as well. As you can see, if I pull that tight, it's great. Around, yep, I've done this the right way. So the way you want to put it is the laces come out the same end as the logo. And then, once you've wrapped the laces round, this wraps round as well. And then, there you have it. Fully wraps up your lace-up glove, and you can do it completely yourself. So, I'm going to hold my hand here because hopefully I can't do custom thumbnails because I can't verify my account. So, hopefully this will give us a decent thumbnail. But basically, yeah, that's pretty much it. So as you can see, it's wrapped around my my glove with the laces underneath it, because you wrap the laces actually round the glove cuff here. And then you can, because it's elastic, you can pull it really tight. And it probably feels like a better tie than actually tying the laces. Having someone tie the laces for you, which is really good. And yeah, pretty much that's all it is. It's just a bit of fabric that you put your laces through. Again, it's like Lace and Loop, but it's RDX's version. Yeah, well, that's pretty much it for this review. I would give these a solid 9 out of 10. I don't really have any issues with them. I'm just not giving a 10 out of 10 because, well, actually, you know what, 10 out of 10, sure. I've not had any issues with these at all. They work perfectly. They are a little bit thick, so they're a lot thicker than the Lace and Loop variants that I've seen so far. All of the Lace and Loop variants I've seen are very thin, like leather. These are fully elasticated. They're pretty much like an actual strap would be on a glove. They're a lot thicker than the Lace and Loop counterpart, and also most of the other Lace and Loop style accessories that you can get. I have noticed these RDX ones are a lot more chunky. But if that doesn't bother you, I would 100% say get them. While I'm here, actually, mine are looking a little bit worse for wear. So I'm actually gonna, oh God, I'm actually going to cut those little fuzzy bits off. But that's pretty much it for this review of the RDX lace converter, lace to Velcro converter. So you can wear your lace up gloves completely when you're by yourself for added comfort. And dare I say, I do believe that this feels much better than a standard Velcro glove. I remember my dad saying to me, well, if you're just going to use the elastic over some laces, what's the point? Why don't you just buy Velcro gloves? These definitely feel like you get a tighter around the wrist feel, a lot more locked in feel than your ordinary gloves that are actually made to be Velcro, ironically. So yeah, thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next review. I've got some Green Hill gloves I'm going to be reviewing. I hope you all enjoyed, and I will catch you all in the next one. So if you did enjoy, please leave a like, subscribe and comment, and I will see you all in the next one. So for now, guys, it's bye-bye from me. Thank you.